Can dental fillings be replaced? Dental fillings are a common dental treatment used to repair cavities and restore the function and appearance of teeth. Over time, however, dental fillings may need to be replaced due to wear and tear, decay, or other factors. In this video, we will explore the reasons why dental fillings may need to be replaced and what the replacement process entails. Reasons for replacing dental fillings. There are several reasons why a dental filling may need to be replaced. One of the most common reasons is that the filling has become worn down or damaged over time. This can happen as a result of chewing, grinding, or clenching the teeth, which can put pressure on the filling and cause it to weaken or break. Another common reason for replacing dental fillings is decay. If decay develops around or underneath a filling, it may need to be removed and replaced to prevent further damage to the tooth. Additionally, if a filling becomes loose or falls out, it will need to be replaced to restore the tooth's shape and function. The type of material used for the filling can also impact its longevity. For example, metal fillings, such as amalgam, are highly durable and can last for many years. However, they may need to be replaced if they become worn down or begin to leak. Composite fillings, on the other hand, are more prone to chipping and staining and may need to be replaced sooner than metal fillings. The replacement process. If you suspect that your dental filling may need to be replaced, it is important to schedule an appointment with your dentist as soon as possible. During the appointment, your dentist will examine the filling and the surrounding tooth to determine the extent of any damage or decay. If it is determined that the filling needs to be replaced, the first step is to remove the old filling. This is typically done using a dental drill to carefully remove the filling material without damaging the surrounding tooth structure. Once the old filling has been removed, the tooth will be cleaned and prepared for the new filling. The next step is to choose a suitable replacement filling material. Your dentist may recommend a specific type of filling based on the size and location of the cavity, as well as your personal preferences. Common filling materials include amalgam, composite resin, gold, and porcelain. Once the new filling material has been chosen, it will be placed into the cavity and shaped to match the natural contours of the tooth. The filling will then be hardened using a special light or chemical process to ensure a strong and secure bond with the tooth. After the filling has been placed, your dentist will check to make sure that your bite is comfortable and that the filling blends in seamlessly with the rest of your teeth. You may experience some sensitivity or discomfort immediately after the procedure, but this should subside within a few days. Maintaining fillings. To extend the life of your dental fillings and prevent the need for frequent replacements, it is important to practice good oral hygiene habits. This includes brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing regularly, and visiting your dentist for routine cleanings and checkups. You should also avoid habits that can damage your fillings, such as biting down on hard objects, grinding your teeth, or using your teeth to open packages. If you experience any pain, sensitivity, or changes in your filling, be sure to contact your dentist right away to prevent further damage to your tooth. In conclusion, dental fillings may need to be replaced for a variety of reasons, including wear and tear, decay, or damage. If you suspect that your dental filling may need to be replaced, it is important to schedule an appointment with your dentist for a thorough examination and appropriate treatment. By taking good care of your fillings and maintaining a healthy oral hygiene routine, you can help ensure that your dental fillings last for many years to come. Remember to consult with your dentist about the best options for replacing your dental fillings and to address any concerns or questions you may have about the process.